If you suspect that your Yahoo Mail account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page. Enter your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. Verify your identity. Choose a recovery option to verify your identity. This could be a verification code sent to your registered phone number or an alternate email address. Follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Check your phone or email for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the Yahoo page and click Verify. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before and confirm it by entering it again. Step 5. Review account security settings. After resetting your password, review your account security settings. Check for any unauthorized changes, update your recovery options, and enable two-step verification for added security. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Yahoo Mail account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.